Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're just going to be doing a Haldex oil change on this Volkswagen. So these Haldex, they're in all the all-wheel drive Volkswagen and Audis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick oil change. It's very simple, you definitely can do it yourself. And then I'm going to make another video in which I'm going to be pulling out the Haldex pump and the filter and giving it a clean. These cars, they have an issue where they make a bit of a groaning noise from the back when you're turning from the Haldex, and one of the fixes is to pull out the Haldex pump and all that and clean it up. So if that's what you're after, I'll do another video for that. But for this video, we'll just get on with the oil change. Okay, so we have the fill plug here for the Haldex and the drain plug here. So like always, we're going to crack the fill plug before we drain it. So it's just a 4mm Allen key, which I'll be, everything I use, I'll put a link to in case you guys need. So I use a 4mm Allen key socket, crack that. So this is our drain plug right here. This is an 8mm Allen key. So I will just crack that. These can get quite tight, just so you're aware. I previously cracked it. Quite a long plug. I will let that drain out. That is your Haldex oil. Tighten the fill plug. Again, I believe the torque is like 20 Newton meters, but a general hand tight is perfectly fine. It's just the plug. So this is the Haldex fluid I'm going to use. And I just pour it into a little pump. I find that's the easiest. Again, I'll put a link to everything if you'd like to use these. So there, the pump is in the fill plug. Now I know by the book it says you were supposed to run a test plan and check temperatures, but it is unbelievably broad. You do not need to do that. I used to work at Audi and we used to do this all the time, never had an issue. You just simply pump it up till oil starts coming out, then you plug it up and it will be fine. Just like that. Tighten our plug back up. Again, just hand tight is fine. And that's it. One thing I will say is if you found your oil was really dirty, you can drive it for a bit and then repeat the process. So it's like a flush. You flush the oil. Other than that, guys, that's how you drain and fill your Haldex oil. See you next time.